So there's two different versions of these mulch kits. I got the BUC10704, and there's a difference because there's another one available for the 42-inch Z-Track 3 series, and it's BUC. I'm gonna have to confirm that number in the description because there's a difference. Now, this kit here I have is 100% composite, meaning that it's made of a high impact resistant plastic. You can see that. And there's a steel version to this. And I know right away everybody's probably gonna say, oh, steel, okay. However, on where this little trap door goes, like in here, and opens and closes, I've heard on the steel version, that was the first version actually, some users have, you're going to see it online too if you keep researching, but the door itself, when it's in that discharge chute, kind of flips open a little bit and allows some of the clippings to pass through. I heard of a user that bolted the chute permanently closed, which solved the issue obviously, and he just mulches anyway, so kudos to him. But I was going to do the same and get the steel, and I opted not to because I kind of want to mulch too, and so I'm just letting you know that beforehand when you order, that you could order either. If you go on the John Deere website, you'll actually see there's two different model numbers. So obviously you'll want the BUC10704 if you want composite. To start, you'll want to put your deck in the lowest position. Next, you'll want to remove that pin, this pin, and this pin, and then you'll slide the whole deck out. With the 3 pins removed, you can push the deck backwards. It'll loosen up tension on this main drive belt. Then you can just reach in. If you can see that, the pulley, you can pull the belt off the pulley. With the main pulley now removed, you could slide your deck out carefully. To get the mower blades off, I take a ratchet down tri-strap, strap it here, and then you'll want to go in a counterclockwise direction to remove. You notice there wasn't a whole hell of a lot of force on there, but enough. There's the blades. If you happen to reuse your blades, just note that the cutting edge is bevel side down, pointing towards the ground. I could see the importance of why you'd want to clean under your deck. I think this is the 4th time I've used this lawnmower from brand new, and if you can see that pretty clearly, that's pretty disgusting. Anyways, I'm going to pressure wash it now. Okay, step 1, installing the mulch control discharge plate, which is this little guy. You simply place it in, obviously put that little tab behind, and then you can see the holes line up, and then you put your 2 M8 bolts with the locking nut washers on. So we'll do that now. And then the square on the plate. Next is saying to take the gate B and the baffle C, and you can see how they'll go together. There's like a swivel hinge, and then you put the plate, which is this part, in, and there's like a, well, here I'll try to show you. There's like a channel in there, so you just pretty much just put that in, and that's fully in. And then we're going to install this to the frame. Pre-threaded screw here will go, likely it's going to go here like that. Like that. Okay. Hey everyone, yeah, my other camera died, battery, so I just put the blades on. I took pictures, but just obviously they go on this way with the arc side down, the bevel side of the blade is pointing towards the grass, and then I just block a piece of block of wood in there like that, on this side actually, to stop the blade from turning as I torqued the bolt. Same with here, I stuck a piece of wood like that, put the blade up and then torque. Basically, you'll just drag it back under somehow. You can just reach around underneath, ow, and put this big old belt back on. Good. That's half the battle there. And if you hurt your back like I did, it's a little hard to move around. Okay. Now, this first pin is where I'm going to try to tackle first here. I hope you can see, but there. There's a washer. It'll go in and then washer, and then a pin. The other two don't have washers. Or sorry, it doesn't have a pin. The pin's already there on that one. It's just the washer and the clip. Too much. Yeah. Now, this guy. I think if you take a piece of wood and use it like a lever, it'll work better. Blade, actually. Use it for leverage. And that is everything.